Alright, what up guys? Welcome back to Austin's Off-Road Garage. I'm Austin, and today we're doing another episode on the 3rd Gen 4Runner. Let's jump right in, check it out. So what I picked up is this hood strut kit from Spiker Engineering. I'm sure there's already videos out there on this, but I just wanted to give you guys maybe an idea if you haven't heard of these. This is a hood strut kit to replace your hood prop. And it can also make it so your hood lifts up 6 inches taller than it does already. So right out the box, I really like the quality of everything. Everything seems really nice. Got your rivets, you got your brackets that go on your hood. The struts seem really quality. Just everything's really nice. They got really detailed instructions. This is to like mark your drill bit width for depth, drilling these holes. It's a well thought out kit and everything looks really quality, so I'm pretty stoked on these guys. Again, that's from Spiker Engineering. So shout out to those guys. Everything looks pretty rad. So let's get this installed. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is I installed these ball studs that the strut sits on, and then I'm just basically checking for clearance to make sure that when the hood is fully closed, nothing comes in contact with it. Over here, I did have my ARB compressor relay mounted to this bracket here, but what I did is I just tucked it behind here and put a little self tapper in there. And then the washer fluid, I'm just gonna figure that out later. We'll zip tie that up somewhere. And everything clears. I think it will work great. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna lift this, measure it up 6 inches, and we're gonna make a new hood prop that is the right length out of like a 2x4, so that when we mount our upper, like the hood mount, that our measurement is correct and they're even and everything. So that's the next step. Oh, and then I'm gonna move this ground. I'll probably just move the wire to this bolt right here and that issue will be solved, because it's not quite clearing the hood there. This one should be fine. All right, so I got my piece of wood cut out at exactly 6 inches above the hood prop, so that these line up nice, like so. And they just go into this reinforced part of the hood right here. Hopefully you can see that. So now what they want you to do is put some painter's tape down in that area, and then mark your 2 holes and then drill them. Also guys,
oh, look who it is.
Noah is over here and he's making this custom like
faceplate,
like a faceplate.
Kind of like a number plate, but with a headlight in the middle of it.
Come show us on your bike.
Okay.
So Noah's got this Sportster Harley 1200, right?
It's an 883.
883, okay.
Yeah, it's an 883, and then it has a full flat track conversion on it. Aftermarket exhaust intake.
It's actually really nice. This exhaust is sick.
So, I actually welded that.
Did you really?
No.
I was like, all right, cool. Anyway, back to it.
This is the piece that we're trying to replace today. So essentially it's a flat track bike, so it has a number plate. What I'm gonna do is thin this out a little bit, and I'm gonna have a cutout right here. And I have 2 lights that are gonna go into that. Maybe one day you'll see what those are, but I'm gonna keep that to myself for now.
Yeah, he's gonna basically get rid of this, put some nice lights there.
It's gonna look good.
And yeah, I just have some old plate laying around from when I tubbed my fenders. So fun night in the shop. So let's get these marked out, and then they have a fancy little thing they do to mark, just make sure you don't over drill your holes. So you're supposed to cut this piece of tube to the correct length.
Always make sure you never over drill your holes.
And then we're gonna use these rivets. I've never used a rivet gun. I just bought this one today, so that should be fun. Doesn't seem very hard, but making progress. It's pretty easy. All right, so we've got everything marked out, at least the outer hole on each of our brackets here. I've got them punched as well, so now we're just gonna drill them out. We're just gonna clean it up a little bit. Bam, end it. Oh. Did it come out your hood, my hood?
No, but I think you just dented your hood a little bit right there.
That's why.
And that's why you used what, Austin?
No, I'm not even putting that in the video. Oh, shit. Might just have to water it out a little bit. Isn't that supposed to like break off or something?
I don't know. You probably cut it after the fact. Oh, there you go. Look at that.
Dope. I gotta make sure I'm like, let me trade you spots. What the hell?
Boom. We're in.
Not too bad.
Hey, Austin, you need a catchphrase. And that's how it goes.
Life's a garden. Dig it.
Shit's about to get Western.
Yeah, that's it. Right? I like that one.
Yeah, I know you do.
So our first rivet is in. Just double checking that we're still in the right position. So now I'm going to take the struts back off. Well, actually I'm going to get them nice and level and drill the hole, the back side, our second hole. And then I'll take the struts off and then put another rivet in. So yeah, this is a pretty simple install. So let's keep moving. What am I looking for? There it is. So on these ones I am going to use the drill stop, because there is potential that you could drill at a weird angle and hit your hood. You making progress there, guy?
Yeah, I'd say so. Got 3 of the cuts done. 4th one to go. We'll see just how clean this turns out, but hand built, right?
All right, guys. Both rivets are in on each side. Super clean. Here's the moment of truth. Ready? 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 Oh my gosh. That's pretty rad, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, here, Noah. Close that for me. Don't, not all the way, just.
Would you like me to model too?
Yeah, baby. Thank you, Noah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So yeah. So I'm overall really happy with this I think it's a pretty quality product. I like how everything's all black, color matched. Simple, yet effective. I like that a lot. So Spiker Engineering, you guys did a great job. So guys, if you're looking for a sweet hood strut kit, go check them out. There's no affiliation there. I just like good products. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for hanging out with me and Noah tonight in the shop. Thanks, Noah, for your help. And we'll catch you guys next time.